Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your first dollar online. So guys, if you're looking for how to make your first dollar online, then watch this video till the end. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your first dollar online, guys. Right guys? So guys, here without any delay, let me show you how to make your first dollar online. And yes guys, here if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your online business step by step, then yes, down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, where I have revealed how you can start your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So yes, if you are serious, then go and read my book, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. Down below there is a link, right? So again, now here let me show you how you can make your first dollar online. So guys, here I'm talking about one of the best business model, that is affiliate marketing. So in that business model, guys, what you do, you pick one product and you start that very product in the market through your unique affiliate link. And when someone clicks on that affiliate link and buy that very product that you are promoting in your niche, you make commission, guys. So it's a simple business model, guys, that I'm talking about. So as in my case, guys, as you know that, guys, I'm into make money online niche, right? Or you can say affiliate marketing. So here, guys, considering that I have picked one of the product where my product gonna help them how they can start their online business step by step, right? So here I am promoting one of the book. Its name is .com Secrets book, guys, right, by Russell Brunson. By the way, guys, if you're serious, I would highly recommend you go and read this book at least for once if you are serious. So down below I have put the link, you can go and check out, right? So considering that that yes, this is the problem, that where people want to know how to start online business step by step. So this is the problem I'm going to solve through my product, that is .com Secrets book, guys. And this is the book where if I, you can say, promote this, I make $1 in commission for every sale. And you know that, and yes guys, here one more thing, that not only I will make $1 in commission, I will also make the commission for every upsell in that funnel, guys, right? So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So guys, here one thing that you need to do, you need to first apply to ClickFunnels affiliate program. So what you can do, you can go to whatsyourdreamcar.com, right? So this is the link you need to go with. And then guys, like if you are not ClickFunnels users, then you can come here and create your account by filling up your information. And yes guys, here one thing I would say, when you are going to fill up your information, please fill up your right information, guys. I see that most people use their fake information, guys. You are doing a real business, so be real, guys, right? So use real information, right? So yes, when you just put out your information, and then finally you need to click on that create your account, and then you will be taken to a dashboard where you will find the link to promote your affiliate offer. So as in my case, I'm going to promote .com Secrets book, right? So I have clicked on the link, and you can see, so this is my link that I'm going to promote. So guys, here I would say, don't promote this ugly looking and long looking affiliate link. So here what you can do, guys, grab your affiliate link and then go to bit.ly, right? Bit.ly is a software, guys, through which you can sort your long looking affiliate link, right? So here what I need to do, paste, right? And then guys, shorten, click on that now. So guys, this is my final link that I need to promote, right guys? By the way, if I want to check, then I can check it, guys, right, how it looks. That's it, guys, right? So guys, if someone click on that link and go and make purchase of this book, I will make $1 in commission, guys, right? Now you might be thinking where I need to put that link, guys. So guys, here if you are on tight budget, if you want to promote this link for free, then what you can do, guys, I'm assuming that you have your Facebook profile, guys. So here what you can do, guys, go to your Facebook profile and put your link in your intro section, or here, guys, here in that section, right? And let me show you how you can do that. Click on that, and guys, can you see that here, see that? Click on that and then scroll to the bottom, and can you see that this one, right? This website and social links. Click on that, and can you see that add a website, and put your link here, and then save, guys. So if I save it, then link will be showing on my profile. Let me show you. Yep, you can see that, guys, right? So guys, here after that what you need to do, guys. So, and yes guys, here this is very, very important, guys. As an affiliate, it is a good practice that whenever you are going to promote anything, first you use that very product, guys. You tell me, if someone comes to you and he or she wants more information about that very product, and you are not using that very product, then guys, you will not be in a good position to explain that very product, guys. So here, if you are the actual user and you are using that very product, then you will be in a good position to explain about that very product, guys, right? So here it's a good practice, guys. Always promote the product that you are using personally. So here I'm assuming that you are going to read that book, and then you will go and start promoting that very product, guys, right? So guys, after that what you need to do, when you have put your link, guys, you need to every day, guys, like this is the book that guys I'm talking about, .com secret book. So every day, guys, like you first read the book, and like there is a chapter 1, so go and read that chapter 1 and make notes and start you can say sharing that notes on your profile, guys, every day, guys, every day here, right? So paste your, you can say post your notes on your profile, and at the end of your post say something like, hey, if you want to get this book, then go and check out the link is in my bio, right? So at the end of the post, right? So yes, slowly you will see that people are loving your content, people are loving your post, and yes, some of them will go and check your profile and they will click on your link, right? And if they think that yes, this book is good, they will go and buy, and you will make your first dollar online, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is the strategy, guys, that you need to use, guys, right? And this is the strategy I use personally, guys, in my affiliate marketing business. So it's a very simple strategy, guys, right? So go and use it. And yes, guys, this book is absolutely free, guys. This book is absolutely free, right? All you need to cover shipping and handling charges, guys. So yep, I would highly recommend you, guys, if you haven't read this book, I would recommend you, please read this book at least for once, right? Down below there is a link, you can go and check out, guys, right? So yes, guys, same thing, guys, you can do, right? You can start sharing your notes using your Facebook profile, or if you are more, you can say, if you are bored, then yes, go and start doing Facebook Live, and every day whatever you learn from that book, go and share it, right? Hey, this is what I learned from that book, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, and at the end of your video you can say, hey, if you want to get this book, then go and check out, the link is in my bio. So if someone lands on your profile and they go and click on your link, and if they go and buy this book, you will make your first dollar online, guys, right, guys? So this is you can say this is the way, guys, to make your first dollar online, right? So yes, guys, now you know how to make your first dollar online. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then I would request you, please go and subscribe to my channel, and yes, hit that bell icon so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yes guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.